It has implications across both product and process. And what we mean when we say product and process, if you think about a company like Zipline that's doing the automated drone delivery or autonomous delivery service, Zipline, the drone autonomous capability is part of their product. Same thing if you're talking about a car, autonomous driving. Now, process is going to be those organizations that are going to adopt those capabilities in their day-to-day process. So if you think about a restaurant that says, we're going to utilize Zipline to be able to do our autonomous delivery, it's their process for delivering their product into the customer. So there's a distinction between the companies that are in the race, the AI race to develop capabilities within their product versus the organizations that are looking at it from a process standpoint on how do they actually capitalize and take advantage of it to improve their processes. So that's an important distinction. We've at AI Solution Exchange, we focus primarily on how do you look at the process or the adoption of those capabilities as an enterprise to become more productive, more efficient, more effective, help support your customers better. And when we think about process, we separate that into two silos. We think about how do we become more productive, and there's productivity capabilities. And then how do you help support the decision support process, right? So if you would adopt a Zipline from a delivery standpoint, autonomous delivery, ideally you're trying to become more productive on how you get your meals to the end consumer at their location, right? So you're trying to get efficiencies within that process. So that's kind of a productive component. So underneath each of these silos between productivity and decision support, we break it out between certain functions. And we look at, as we look at our solutions, AI Solution Exchange, we categorize is this something that's more of an assistant? Is it something where you're scribing or creating, automating? If you're looking at RPA, if you're trying to detect anomalies, special events, you're trying to control processes, you're trying to respond. Those are all kind of productivity capabilities. And then when you look at decision support, are you trying to predict kind of the forecast to be able to make better decisions? Are you trying to optimize your pricing structure? Are you trying to prioritize and rank sales leads? Are you trying to diagnose or analyze situations where there's potentially issues or problems? Are you trying to then recommend? So it's more of the decision support process. So again, process versus product, focus on process. And then within process, we have productivity capabilities, decision support capabilities.